Good day guys, this is your tutor engineer. Today we'll be doing grade 10 mathematics paper 1 solving for x. So let's start with today's lesson. So let's start with question 1. So let's write question 1 over here. So from here, let's multiply with the highest common factor, which is 6, and then 6 divided by 3 will give us a 2, which is going to multiply this term here. Then 6 times 3 is 18. 6 is going to be divided by 6, and then you'll be left with 2x. Then from here it's going to be quite easy. It's just basic mathematics. Then you group all the terms that look the same. 4x minus 18 minus 18x minus 2x, then 6 will come to this side as positive. Then you'll have 4 minus 18, which is minus 14 minus 2. So here you'll be left with minus 16, right? So it's minus 16x is equal to 6. Then you divide by minus 16. X is going to be minus, you can simplify this 6 over minus 16 as 3 divided by 8. So that's going to be the x of the first question. Now let's go to question 1.2. Let's attend to question 1.2. Let's write it over here. So basically let's multiply this bracket. Okay, another thing that I wanted to show you. Okay, here you have 3x plus 1. Here you have 3x minus 1. So let's just multiply. It's 12x plus 4 minus 15 is greater than or equal to 5 times 3. It's 15x. 5 times minus 1 is 5. So from here, you're just going to group the like and the like. We'll have 12x, which looks like 15x, which is 15x will come here. This side is negative, and then this side will have minus 5. Minus 15 will come as positive. 4 will be negative. 12 minus 15 is going to give us minus 3x. 5 minus 5 plus 15 is minus 10. So it's plus 10. Plus 10 minus 4 is 6. So from here we'll divide by minus 3. So x is equal to, so when you divide by a negative number, this sign here will change and face the opposite side. So 6 divided by minus 3 is going to be 2. So this will be our answer. Then let's go to the next question. Question 1.3. So here we're just dealing with the variables. So we're going to solve for x in terms of the variables. So we'll just group the like terms together. Tx plus qx will come on one side, and then here d will remain this side, and then b will come on the right hand side as positive. Here the common factor is x. You'll be left with t plus q is equal to d plus b. So going to divide both sides with t plus q. Then x is going to be d plus b divided by t plus q. Now let's deal with question 1.4. We have 2x squared minus x is equal to 1. So we're going to group everything on the left. So we're dealing with a quadratic equation. The factors for 2x squared is 2x times x. Then the factors for minus 1, it's 1 and 1. Where minus, so this middle term here is negative x. That means if we turn this minus 1 to be negative and this one positive, it will take us back to the middle term of minus x. So here we'll have 2x plus 1 is 0, or x minus 1 is 0. So x is 1, or x is equal to minus 1 over 2. So that's the answer for question 1.4. Now let's come to question 1.5, which is a fraction. So let's write 1.5 here. X minus 2 divided by x minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 7. So we'll first start by cross multiplying. So I'll cross multiply like this. When you do so, on the left hand side, we'll be left with x minus 2 times x plus 7. Then on the right hand side, 2x minus 1. Then here we'll have x minus 1. Now from here, we're just going to multiply x squared. X times x is x squared. And then the middle term, x times 7 is 7x. Minus 2 times x minus 2x. 2 times 7 minus 14. Then you do likewise on the right hand side. 2x times x is 2x squared. 2x times minus 1 minus 2x. Minus 1 times x minus x. Minus 1 times minus 1 is plus 1. And then from here we're just going to group all the like terms. And then let's just simplify this one quickly. It's going to give us 5x. Right, so and then minus 14 is going to be joined with minus 1, which is going to be negative when it comes this side. And then this side will simplify this, which will give us minus 3x. And then from here, this one will be minus x squared. Then 5x, we'll group it together with minus 3x. Remember, it will come this side as positive. Then here we'll have minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, so since this sign here is negative, we can multiply by minus 1 to change this sign to become positive. So that is easy for us to solve this quadratic equation. So now let's look for factors. The factors for x squared is x times x. The factors for 15 is 5 times 3. Since 15 is positive, both of the signs will be negative. Right, so here we can easily say x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 3. I hope guys you're still following. We're nearly at the end of our today's lesson. Now let's deal with 1.6. So let's first rewrite this. You can rewrite it as 3 over 2, right? So, and then this one will come back as 5x divided by 3 as it is. And then here we'll have 1 over 4, 5 minus 3x, 1 over 3, 3 minus 5x. Okay, from here we can multiply with the common factor, highest common denominator. You can say common denominator, which is going to be 12. So 12 divided by 2 is 6 times 3. We'll have 18 here, minus 12 divided by 3 is 4 times 5, 20x. 12 divided by 3 is going to, 12 divided by 4 is going to be 3. So here we actually have 5 minus 3x. 12 divided by 3 is going to be 4. So from here on, 3 times 5 is 15. Then 3 times 3 is minus 9x. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times minus 5 is minus 20x. Okay, so let's group the like and the like. Here you have minus 20x. Then we'll take 9x as positive to the left hand side, and then minus 20x will be positive 20x. And then on the right hand side, we're just going to leave the numbers, which is 15 plus 12. Only 18 will come on the right as negative. So minus 20 and minus 20 will give us a 0. So we'll remain with 9x this side. And then here 15 and minus 18 is going to give us minus 3, minus 3, and positive 12 is going to give us an 8. Is that correct? So that's just basic mathematics. In fact, it's going to be a 9. So let's divide by 9 both sides. X is greater than 1. Okay, let's write and do the final question. So this is going to be our final question here. 1 over 6x squared plus x minus 15 So that's 1.7, 1 over 6x squared plus x minus 15, and then the next term is minus 1 over 9 minus 4x squared is equal to 1 over 6x squared plus 19x plus 15. Okay, so let's factorize this denominator and that denominator and that denominator. So if you factorize this, the factors will be 3x and 2x. That's the factors of 6x squared. Okay, so the factors of 15 is going to be 5 and 3. We'll make this positive and that negative. So that's how you factorize this particular quadratic function. So here you are dealing with the difference of two squares. We can factorize it as 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. So it's equal to the right hand side, which is 6x squared. The factors for 6x squared is going to be 3x and 2x, right? So the factors for 15 is going to be 5 and 3. So everything will be positive. So you can check if this will still take you back to the middle term and give you 19x. So, but basically this is how you factorize. And then from here on, we're going to take the common denominator and look. Okay, before you do that, let's identify what looks the same and what is common among these factors. So 3x plus 15 is the same as 3x plus 5. Actually, it's 3x plus 5. They are the same. So here you have 2x minus 3, which we can manipulate to look the same as this factor here, and then this factor 3 plus 2x is the same as 2x plus 3. So let's just change this one. Let me show you how you do and go about that. So if you're going to change this around, you have to change this sign to be positive. If you do that, that means you can rewrite this factor as 2x minus 3. Then this one will come as it is. Okay. Then when you are at this stage, everything looks the same. At least everyone has got a partner who looks like them, right? So this looks the same as this, and this looks exactly the same as that one. So we're going to multiply by these three factors which we have. The first one is 3x plus 5, then the second one is 2x yes, it is 2x plus 3, then we have 2x minus 3. When you do that, here you'll be remaining with 2x plus 3, alright, and then here you'll be remaining with 3x plus 5, and then here you'll be remaining with 2x minus 3. Then from here on you group the like and the like. 2x plus 3x minus 2x, this one will come back as negative. Then on the right hand side you write the numbers. 5 will be negative, 3 will be negative. So this one will cancel each other. You'll have 3 is equal to minus, is it minus 11? Yes, that's minus 11. Then you divide by 3 both sides, and x is minus 11 over 3. Okay, I hope you followed, and I also hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next lesson. Cheers.